Hey Queen, welcome to Life is Too Short to Wear Boring Shoes, Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1 of this video, where I turned this into this, I will leave the link in the description box below. And now, let's give these bad boys a sparkly makeover. I will start by covering the whole heel with rhinestones, because why not? Yes, this is the part where I struggled for several minutes to find out how am I going to do this. So, first I covered the inner side of the heel with one sheet of rhinestones. I cut it to the proper size and then cut a part of the first row like so. Leaving 2 rhinestones at the first row will help covering the whole area. And now we will just have to glue it. All my fingers were covered with super glue, and the best way to remove it is by using olive or coconut oil and then soaking them in warm soapy water for a few minutes. Cut the rhinestones sheet like so, and then just glue them. And yeah, you have to glue them one by one. And just repeat the same steps on the second heel. And here's how they look now. Glamorous sparkly heels, check. Are we going to leave the front plain like this? Not a chance. Here's a quick before. And here's how they look now. And here's the third pair of heels before. I'm going to use pearls for this one. I don't want the thread to be visible, that's why I'm going to fill the pearls in black thread. If you just make a knot, the pearls will fall anyways. So this is the best way to secure them. Glue the first pearl on each side. To make the cross, twist the pearls twice, but make sure you have the same number of pearls on each side. And this is how to secure the last pearl. When you glue the last pearl, make sure you glue it from the side where the thread is visible. Glue a pearl in the middle to hide the area of intersection. Now for the heel itself, you will need half cup pearls. I glued them in a line in the inner part of the heel and then just glued them randomly. And there you have it. That's how to add glam to boring shoes. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Till next week, queens!